What's up guys, welcome back to the Trendy Gadget. On this channel we will talk about latest gadget, upcoming and trending item around the globe. Today, we are excited to present the best products available, that you can grab in the market right now. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and push the bell for updates on upcoming videos. Let's jump to it.
For thousands of years, humans have been filling their notebooks and then just buying more.
It's like the notebook industry has given up on innovation.
Hey, what's this? The notebook Hemingway wrote on? That's cool, I guess.
We're from Rocketbook, and we make notebooks from the future.
At Rocketbook, we are already famous for inventing the Wave Notebook, the smart notebook that can be erased in the microwave. We've shipped 100,000 waves to satisfied customers around the world. Others may stop there, but we're maniacs obsessed with blending old-fashioned notebooks with future and awesome. So we've spent a year in the Rocket Lab designing a new notebook that feels like pen and paper, but is endlessly reusable and completely integrated with your digital lifestyle. Introducing the Everlast Notebook from Rocketbook. The Everlast brings cloud scalability to pen and paper. Simply write, scan, and erase. Imagine 1,000 of your favorite notebooks in one sleek design that fits in your backpack. Here's how it works. Everlast pages look and feel like paper, but they're actually constructed from a polyester composite rather than wood. You write on the Everlast using any pen from the Pilot Friction line, which are available in-store and online. Writing on the Everlast feels perfectly natural and smooth, and as the ink dries, it forms a complete bond to the polyester page, so it won't rub off. But what makes this formulation so unique is that each page can be wiped completely clean with a moist towel, so it can be used over and over and over again. The Everlast Notebook is also compatible with the Rocketbook app. So before you wipe your notes off the page, you can blast them online to your favorite cloud services. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Everlast notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or many other services. You could configure your Diamond to send meeting notes directly to your shared team folder in Dropbox. Or students could configure their star symbol to send notes right to a math folder in Google Drive. So you can make your list, break out that diagram, or color in that drawing. Then tomorrow, start your day with a brand new notebook. With the Everlast, one notebook becomes 1,000 notebooks. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.
Access clean drinking water wherever you go with LifeStraw. It is a small, ultralight water filter that frees you from carrying drinking water by removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics to keep you safe on your adventures. Using it is simple. Open the caps, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, just blow the water out of the filter, replace the caps, and off you go. Ideal for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergencies, LifeStraw filters a minimum of 1,000 gallons of water, equivalent to roughly 4 years of clean drinking water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Over 1 million children are receiving clean water today thanks to people like you.
This is the Shiatsu foot massager from Miko, and for what it is, it looks pretty clean, doesn't it? But beyond that, it's very intuitive to use and packs fantastic function. All you have to do is plug it into an outlet, and you're basically good to go. Placing your feet in the 2 independent foot chambers and pressing power, you have 5 different massage pressure settings that you can toggle with the plus and minus buttons on the machine or with one of the 2 handy dandy wireless remotes included in the box. You can also toggle the heating and kneading functions the same exact ways, and trust me, these features definitely add to the massage experience. This device does an incredible job alleviating pain induced by plantar fasciitis, neuropathy, diabetes, chronic pain, and plain old muscle tension. And when you're done, simply press power and repeat the process whenever the time is right.
The Braava Jet mopping robot uses a precision jet spray to loosen dirt while wet mopping or damp sweeping. The spray nozzle in front of the robot should always be kept clean and clear. Simply wipe it down with a clean, damp cloth.
Life can be so much easier at the touch of a button. Wouldn't it be great if cleaning between your teeth was just as easy? Introducing the new and improved Philips Sonicare AirFloss. Simply fill your AirFloss with water or mouthwash, and with just one touch, the new Auto Burst feature will send out a gentle yet effective burst every second, helping you clean between your teeth quickly and easily, including the hardest to reach places at the back of your mouth. Its unique air and microdroplet technology uses high-speed bursts of air and water droplets to force plaque and bacteria out, removing up to 5 times more plaque between teeth than manual brushing alone. which means air flossing at least once a day can improve your gum health in 2 weeks while protecting your teeth from cavities. Philips Sonicare Air Floss, the one-touch clean between your teeth in just 30 seconds.
Tell you that I missed you, but I can't find the words to say. It's been a minute since I kissed you, but it feels like yesterday. It's been so long since I held you in my arms. The day you walked away, you took a piece of me. 'Cause now you're back, got me missing what we had. Baby, can't you say I just wanna be with you